Hi, this is Jason Fielder with the Daily Forex Report for July 8th. We're looking at the US Japanese yen. This pair had a very large range today, did not make a new high. It did close up though. I am looking for this pair to continue higher. The bias is definitely up at this point. We are getting into some area of previous resistance, and I anticipate that as well this time. We do have a range of between what I'm looking for the range to be 107.83 or as low as 105.89, and looking for resistance around the 108.02 level, which would be somewhere around here, maybe a little bit lower, and also for support to come into the market if it does reverse and come back down at about this point. Let's take a look at the US or the Euro USD. We have it closed down today. It was within yesterday's ranges, so we might take out this low. This pair is going down. I'm looking for the range to be between 157.79 and 155.98. And if we do see it push lower, we could have some support come into the market at around the 156.20 mark. Most likely though, it'll break. If it breaks this point, it'll break this low and will continue down. If it does that, then we're going to be looking for support to come into the market at this point, at around the 1.5525 area. Looking at the pound now, we have the pound also was in the previous day's range. It did close down, however, looking for it to continue down. We have a range. What I'm looking for is 1.9836, possibly as low as 196.21. As far as support and resistance, looking around this same level here for support, and for resistance, looking at the 198.00 level, so a little bit lower than our range. Looking at the Swiss. The Swiss moved higher today. It was actually a pretty large range, just like the Japanese yen. It is moving higher. I anticipate this pair to continue moving higher. We do have a range, though, estimated range of 1.0382, and on the low side, looking at looking on the low side, 1.0180. This would be our support also, looking if this market does reverse and come down here, looking for support to come into the market at this point. As far as resistance, I expect us to hit resistance a little bit before this at about the 1.0354 mark. So look for it to bounce off either this point or this point if it pushes higher. We do have some news announcements tomorrow. The euro has the German trade balance for May at 2 a.m. It also has a gross domestic product for the euro, the eurozone, for the first quarter at 5 a.m. The pound has their trade balance for May coming out at 4 a.m. or 4:30 a.m. and the Japanese yen has their trade balance for May coming out at 7:50 p.m. Now all these, of course, are in the Eastern time. So until tomorrow, this is Jason Fielder. Good trading.